Evening to one and also. Today in this video we will discuss about the Powermech share. We'll discuss the possible levels of the share. As you all know that Powermech is an infrastructure company, and we have seen that since so many days it has been continuously falling. Actually, if we see 1 year back, it was trading around 1200 rupees, and now today if we see the current share price, it is around 318 rupees. So there was a drastic fall. So we'll find out the reason why the drastic fall was uh, happened particularly in this share. We'll also see the technicals of this share. We'll discuss the entire fundamental picture. I mean that entire means we'll discuss the fair value, we'll discuss the P by E ratio, we'll also discuss the mutual fund holdings, which is the crucial part of any share, because mutual funds is the main key factor that decides any growth of any particular company. Yes or no? If any company is having high mutual fund holding, then definitely it's a good company, right? Means the mutual fund houses are thinking that they definitely there's a high potential to that company. So we'll discuss about all these factors one after the other. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end to not miss any update regarding it. So let's get started. So firstly, let me start with the fundamentals of this share. So we know that currently it's trading around 318.75 rupees, and if we see the market cap, it's just 468.91 crores. Yes, it's a small cap. It became a small cap company. And if we see the P by E ratio, it's around 3.48. Yes, it's 3.48. It is a drastic fall in P by ratio. It's very cheap. You're getting it at a very cheap valuation. Yes, if we compare it with the sector PE, it's around 11.66. So you're getting it a very cheap price. So whenever we are investing in stock market, we should keep one thing in mind, that we should do value investing. So value investing is very good thing, rather than investing it at high price and booking losses, right? So many people don't do any particular analysis. They directly see that, okay, this company is related to this sector, so let's get into it. So they don't check out what is the P by ratio, they don't check out the company fundamentals, they don't see any shareholding, just they jump into it because of any some sort of recommendation. So each and every individual should do their own analysis before they get into any particular share, right? So in this video we'll discuss the entire fundamentals, so you will not be left with any doubt related to this share. Okay, so this is a completely cheap valued share. This is undervalued. So you're getting it at a very fair valuation. So if you see the deliveries also, it's around 81.7. So delivery is also main indication that many people are showing interest on it. They're putting it into their demat accounts. So that is the important thing when you're investing in any particular company. So if we see the shareholding pattern, the main important thing when we check the shareholding pattern, we should see the pledging content. So the pledging is zero, yes, then this type of share we need to focus on, because pledging is the main thing that the promoter does to satisfy the needs. So we need to see the pledging first. After that we need to check the mutual fund holding. So mutual fund holding, you can see so from past few years it's continuously increasing. So when it started around 10.2, again 10.6, again 11.04, again 11.16. So you can see that there is a steady growth in the mutual fund holding. So this is what is important if we check the mutual fund holdings of a company. So similarly, if you see the FIS, so FIS, okay, it's a flat. So this is a flat, no change, fixed fixed what we say fixed holding by the FIS. So this is the overall fundamental picture of the shareholding. Other DIS you can all check it out, but major thing is FIS and as well as the mutual fund holding. So let's see what is the strengths of this company. What is the SWOT says? So company with low debt, right? So when we see any company, if you want to invest it for long term, so first major thing we need to check is what what is the company all about. First thing we need to check what is the company all about. Then we need to check the company debt. Then we need to check the company pledging. Then we need to check the company's ROCE. So when these all things are getting satisfied, then definitely you need to go into it. Yes or no? So when we see the company is having very low debt, okay, the company has very low debt, and as well as increasing revenue every year, and also the net profit since last year is increasing. And FIS last point is here we can see that last 2 points, company zero pledge as well as FIS increasing the shareholding. So FIS and FPIs are increasing the shareholding, means the foreign institutional investors are showing a huge interest on this share. Okay, so you can check the all the strengths from here. So this is almost satisfying all the needs, being an infrastructure company, right? We also know that there are many infrastructure companies, right? We have L&T, major leader L&T is also good mutual fund holding, but will it give that amount of returns as compared to this year? That we need to keep in mind according to the returns, right? So since this is presented very low valuation, even L&T is also presented low valuation, but if we compare the returns, okay, then we can see that Power Mech will have an upper hand, okay, in future. I'm telling about the future, not about short term. Okay, so let's see all the details, fundamental details of this share. Okay, later we'll discuss about the charts. First let me discuss about the dividend. Okay, so this share gives a very less dividend of 0.31. It's a very less dividend because the company is directly focusing on the growth rather than giving the dividends. Okay, so apart from that, if we see P by E ratio is also very less. So this analysis is basically done by me in simply Wall Street. So people who want to know about a particular company fundamentals and shareholdings, they can check this website if they want to analyze any particular chart. Okay, so we can see that Power Mech below the estimate fair value it's trading. Okay, and significantly below, it's trading around all, it's undervalued share. Its P by E ratio is also very less. So if we compare, this is the main important thing, if we compare the fair value of Power Mech, it is 755 rupees. Yes, 755. So here we need to make the decision if you want to invest in L&T or if you want to invest in Power Mech. So if you see the fair value of L&T, it is just 250 to 300 rupees, but now it's around 950. So it will be an overvalued investment. Let's say if you want to buy any 20 rupees pen, you need to pay 50 rupees for it. Will you buy a pen which costs 20 rupees and will you pay 50 rupees for it? No, na. So similarly, if you want to buy 20 rupees pen, you're getting it at 5 rupees, will you leave that? Yes, so you need to grab those type of things. You need to do that kind of investing. You need to do value investing. That is what is very important. Okay, so you can see the current price is 318.75 and fair value is 758. Around 57.8% it is undervalued. So 57.8 it is undervalued. So these type of shares we need to focus on which are very undervalued. Okay, so if you see Power Mech returns in 7 days, 1%, you can go through it. 5 years it's not available because it has been 3 to 4 years the company has come into the market. So 3 years it has given 45.6. Industry has given negative returns. Okay, market has given 14.2 returns. So it has been negative because of the profits and overall overall competitive advantage was also there. Competition was also very high because infrastructure companies are very high. But why to, so you may be having a doubt why to focus only on this, because it is undervalued, because other shares are overly valued. You're getting it at cheap valuation, you will be losing nothing. There is nothing to be lost if you invest in this. It may go to 300 maximum 310, that's it. But if you put it, if you can, high returns are possible, it may go to even 600 700 800 900,000. So that point you need to think, you need to see the risk reward ratio must be calculated before you invest in any share. Okay, this is less risk high reward. Okay, so if you see the overall picture of the Power Mech, you see that the value is good, future is good, past and health is also good. Only one factor that is not available, dividend. Who wants dividend right now? No one is focusing on dividend. If you want dividend share, you can buy so many dividend shares are there, right? But we are not here for dividend, we are here for getting good returns, and we are here for value investing. So that should be kept in mind. Okay, so let's discuss about Power Mech on charts and conclude the video. So if we see PowerMac on 1 month chart, we can see that it's taking a support around this level. Okay, around it may be 310. That was a 52-week low. Again, it's trying to move up. So there is not much clarity in this chart. So let's go to 1 week chart. So you can find here it's forming at some sort of pattern. So people who don't have idea about technical analysis, so you need to have an idea on that before you analyze any particular chart. So because technical analysis is something which is, we can say, heart of stock market. So before you go through any investing any particular stock, go through the technical analysis also after fundamental analysis. So you can see here that it's forming a some sort of pattern. Okay, and it's taking support around this level, around 310 and 311. So previously also on Friday it has respected that level and it has not fallen below it. So we need to watch out for this level. If it sustains that 311 level, then definitely it's a buy signal, and it may near term, we can see near term targets around 450 500, and if it breaks 405, then 450 500 we can see very easily on this share. Okay, so do your own analysis before you invest. This is my point of view, and you can see the support clearly. The support is there here. If you want to invest, you can invest. Otherwise it's up to you. Okay, good share, fundamentals all are good, technically also it's very good. If you want to invest, you can invest. Apart from that, it's your decision, it's your money. Okay, in next video we'll discuss about another share. We'll discuss about what we say, we discuss about another, we'll discuss about something related to malls. We can discuss about SP apparels also we can discuss. So we'll discuss in next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.